Such a pretty kitty. Huh? What's up? Huh? You think you can stay inside? Oh, such a sweetheart. Yes, you are. Yes, you are. Hey everybody, welcome to Life at Sunny Lee. My name is Kathy Jarvis, and it's the first week of the year, New Year, 2024. I know a lot of people spend that week trying to make New Year's resolutions and reflecting back on last year. We did a little bit of that, but not much. I mean, last year we had a few major things that we did. We put up the new greenhouse. We got the new shed outside of it done, and we upgraded the cats' crates and the ball python's cage. Did a few of those things and visit our sons somewhat and had them come down and spent some time with family and friends and stuff. But as far as making New Year's resolutions, didn't make any this year. It's the same thing every year. You try to make changes, and you either succeed or you don't succeed. And at our age, we pretty much, you get what you see. I mean, we're not going to change. We made all the changes that we're going to make, I think. We do have projects, and there are things that we wish were different, but we have no control over them. So all we can do is do the best that we can do and follow our dreams and try to get things done. And both of us have been kind of under the weather this past week, but it slowed us down somewhat, but it hasn't stopped us. Saturday, we had to take our middle son back to Ohio. He was here during the Christmas holidays. He had been placed on some medication that wasn't supposed to drive until after a couple of days of being on it, so we had to go and pick him up. And of course, we had to take him back. And then on Sunday, our oldest son came down and spent New Year's Eve with us. And on Monday, he spent the whole day with us, New Year's Day, which is also my husband's birthday. So we celebrated his birthday. Our son went back on Monday night. Tuesday we went shopping, got all the groceries, and went to the meat market and picked up meat for the next month, hopefully 2 months. Hopefully I can stretch it. On Wednesday we had to take the car in, have the oil changed on it, and was informed that our tires were bad. So on Thursday we went and got new tires for the car. So we got those done, so we should be safer again. A lot of my Amazon orders have arrived. We got another trellis for the garden. Hopefully that's the last of the trellises I have to buy. I still want to put up 2 more trellises, but these will be ones that I make myself. And then also started cleaning the house. If you know, January is when I start deep cleaning the house, try to get it done before things start rolling around, and as far as being outside working in the garden and stuff. So I started up with the boys' room and started cleaning it first, and then I will move down and start the kitchen later on this week. Got the boys' room just about done. I just have to do the curtains and the windows yet, and that room will be done. And then I can start on the kitchen. Also, worked on that on Thursday afternoon and Friday, and that has pretty much taken up most of the week. Like I said, it slowed us down a little bit, but not completely. He's feeling much better. I still have a stuffy nose and stuff, and we're working on it. So hopefully you have a good, happy new year. Remember to believe in yourself and follow your dreams and dream big. So hope that you will like, share, subscribe, and I'll see you in the next video. Bye, everybody.